The nucleus contains all the genetic information inside of a cell. It is like the main office here at school because the main office contains all of the students' important information. Without the nucleus, the cell wouldn't function, just like Spanish River wouldn't function without the main office. The nucleolus is in charge of ribosome synthesis and assembly. This is like the cafeteria because the cafeteria assembles lunches like the nucleolus produces ribosomes. The smoothie R is in charge of the production of lipids and it doesn't have ribosomes on it like the roughy R. This is like Edline, which produces grades for the students. The roughy R is covered with ribosomes and is very important to the packaging and synthesis of proteins. This is like the guidance office, which packages transcripts for seniors to send to colleges.
The Golgi apparatus is a layered stack of flattened sacks that is important for the production of polysaccharides or carbohydrates, and is also important for protein processing, just like the student record section, which is responsible for processing all student records.
Mitochondria are rod-shaped organelle, aka the powerhouse of the cell, because they are responsible for carrying out the reactions of aerobic respiration, creating energy, just like this mechanical room is responsible for the electricity seen here in the gym.
Chloroplasts, only found in plants, contain chlorophyll molecule used in photosynthesis. This organelle, the chloroplast, is responsible for photosynthesis of ATP and sugar, just like the greenhouse plant in the biotech building is responsible for growing plants, harnessing energy from light. The vacuole is responsible for coloration, storage of oils, carbohydrates, water, and toxins, which is similar to the gym storage room, which also stores basketball and other equipment for the gym use.
The lysosomes in the cell break down waste material, just like the bathrooms at school.
I gotta go my own way.
The cytoskeleton gives cell shape and mechanical resistance to deformation. Cell signaling pathways are also a big part of the cytoskeleton, which are like the walls at school, because without the walls there wouldn't be any structure. Microtubules maintain the structure inside the cilia and the flagella, and they're also used for intracellular transport. Microfilaments are flexible and strong, and they resist forces. Intermediate filaments are used for cell adhesion. The centrioles in animals help with cell division, just like the gym. So during pep rallies, you have the freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior classes.
A little bit is never enough. Don't you want it all? Want it, know that you want it.
The plasma cell membrane separates the interior of the cell from the exterior environment. Just like the gates at school, it's selectively permeable, so it only lets some in and some out. The packaging and synthesis and synthesis to the pack. Sorry. And synthesis to the packaging and synthesis. How do you say that word?
Synthesis.
Packaging and synthesis. The packaging and